Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize power mode in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy. So first, in your desktop, you can open your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter, and then in the setting page, you can go to your system in your left side menu here, click on it, and then you will find power and battery. You can click on it. And then there is option to power mode. If you click to expand it, there is some option here. And if you choose the plug-in mode, you can choose to balance, or you can choose also base power efficiency, or you can also choose the best performance. And then when it's on battery, you can choose balance or base power efficiency. So basically, I think the best is if you on battery, you can choose to base power efficiency or balance. And for the plug-in, you can choose a balance or base performance. But it's up to you. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.